SQL and database design pillars of data science interviews that you must master. Whether it's writing queries to retrieve data or designing efficient databases, these skills demonstrate your ability to handle and organize data effectively. In today's video, we are diving deep into SQL and database design, covering the essential concepts, common interview questions, and strategies to help you ace this section of your data science interview. Let's get started. Why SQL database design matter in data science? SQL is the language of data, and databases are where that data lives. Data scientists need to extract, manipulate, and analyze data efficiently, and SQL is the tool for the job. Database design, on the other hand, ensures data is stored in a way that's scalable and organized. Interviewers want to see if you can handle both effectively. What to expect in SQL database design interviews? First, SQL querying, writing and optimizing queries. Second, joins and subqueries, combining and analyzing data. Third, database design principles, normalization, relationships, and keys. Fourth, real-world scenarios, designing databases for business problems. Fifth, performance optimization, indexing and query tuning. First, SQL querying basics. SQL queries are the bread and butter of data retrieval. You'll need to demonstrate proficiency in select statements to retrieve data, where clauses for filtering, group by for aggregations, order by for sorting. Practice writing queries to answer business questions. It's a common task in interviews. Second, joins and subqueries. Joins are used to combine data from multiple tables. Be comfortable with, first, inner join, returns matching rows from both tables. Second, left join, returns all rows from the left table, with matching rows from the right. Third, right join, same as left join but reversed. Fourth, full join, combines all rows from both tables. For example, you might be asked to find employees who worked on multiple projects using an inner join. Select name from employees, where department_ID is equal to open bracket select ID from departments, where name equals to sales close bracket semicolon. They're great for complex filtering or aggregations. Third, database design principles. In database design, structure matters. Key principles include, first, normalization, breaking data into smaller tables to avoid redundancy. Second, primary keys, unique identifiers for each row. Third, foreign keys, relationships between tables. Fourth, indexing, speeding up queries by indexing frequently accessed columns. You may be asked to design a database for an e-commerce platform or social media app. Be ready to explain your choices. Fourth, real-world SQL challenges. Question: write a query for aggregated data. Select category, sum, sales, as total_sales, from products, group by category, order by total_sales DESC. This shows your ability to aggregate and sort data efficiently. Question: optimize a slow query. Sometimes, you'll be asked to optimize a slow query. Common techniques include adding indexes to frequently filtered columns, avoiding select to reduce unnecessary data retrieval, using explain to analyze query execution plans. Fifth, database design scenario. Define entities like books, authors, and borrowers. Establish relationships. A book can have one or more authors, and borrowers can check out multiple books. Optimize with indexing and foreign keys. Sixth, advanced SQL techniques. Select name, sum, sales, over, partition by department, order by date, as running_total, from employees. These are powerful for complex ranking and aggregation tasks. SQL and database design are essential skills for data science interviews. With practice and a clear understanding of the fundamentals, you can ace this section and stand out as a top candidate.